Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about conjunctive normal form, conversion the given proposition to conjunctive normal form. In our last class, we clearly discussed about the conversion to disjunctive normal form. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so whatever the examples which we have taken in our last class, the same examples we are converting into conjunctive normal form. So this is the proposition. We need to convert this into conjunctive normal form. Conjunctive normal form means product of sums, elementary sums. So this should be look like this, product of elementary sums. Hoping that you already know what elementary sum means. Product of elementary sum. The given proposition should be converted into the form of product of elementary sums. Then we call it as conjunctive normal form. Now let's try to convert this. It is given that take this as x. This proposition as y. X double implies y. So x double implies y can be converted in two different equations. X double implies y can be written as x implies y conjunction y implies x. This is one way you can write it as these two equations are equal. Similarly, x conditional y, it's not conditional, x conjunction y disjunction negation x conjunction negation y. So you can write in this form also, but in our example we need to convert this into the form of product of sums. So which one is going to match? This one is going to match for our example. So that's why I write it in this form. X double implies y can be written as x implies y conjunction y implies x. Now again try to convert this. So this is in the form of product of sums. So try to convert this into product of sums, this into product of sums. Because in between we are having the equation of product, means conjunction symbol is there, product of sums. So if you try to convert this, take this as x implies y. X implies y can be written as p implies q can be written as negation p disjunction q. So negation of negation is going to be cancelled. So negation p, negation of this negation is going to cancel, p disjunction q. Similarly, here also negation p disjunction q. So both sides we have write like this. Now try to understand. We need to convert this into the form of product of sums. So apply distributive law. Take this proposition as x disjunction, p as y, q as z. You can apply distributive law. X disjunction y conjunction x disjunction z. See here, p or q disjunction p, in between conjunction x, p or q disjunction q. Now this equation is in the form of product of sums. Product of sums. So this side, on the left hand side, we got it the equation in the form of product of sums. Similarly, we apply our equivalence formulas to obtain the right hand side part also in the product of sums. So negation, when it takes inside, by applying De Morgan's law, negation p conjunction is going to convert into disjunction negation q. So disjunction negation inside, negation p conjunction negation q. Now apply distributive law again for this in order to get into the form of a product of sums. Take this as x disjunction negation p as y negation q as z. So x disjunction y conjunction x disjunction z, x disjunction z. So this is also in the form of a product of sums. Copy this as it is. Our entire equation is this. This is in the form of product of sums. You can minimize somehow about this equation. You can write negation p disjunction negation q disjunction negation p. You can eliminate one negation p, but further reduction we are not going to do here. We are just leaving it here. You can do the you can still reduce this equation as much as you can. Now coming to the second example. We take the second example. P implies this entire proposition. In this proposition, P implies Q, conjunction, negation of negation Q, disjunction, negation P. So we know that P implies this entire equation is considered as Q. So P implies Q can be written as a negation P or Q. Similarly, here in this, P implies Q can be written as negation P or Q. So negation P or Q converted. P implies this entire equation, negation P or Q. Okay, now we have to convert this into product of sums. So in which way we can do that? Negation P, disjunction Q, conjunction, negation. Take this negation inside. Apply De Morgan's law. So this disjunction is converted into conjunction, negation of negation, negation of negation. So this is what we got. You can apply distributive law, or you can apply distributive law here also. So we are applying distributive law here. X, disjunction, this part as Y, conjunction, this part as Z. If you apply distributive law, X conjunction Y, this X disjunction Y, conjunction, X disjunction Z. So negation P, conjunction, this Y, conjunction, negation P, disjunction, this Z. This is in the form of product of sums. Yes, all are the same symbols, disjunction, disjunction. Negation P, disjunction, negation P, disjunction Q. You can write one time. Negation P can be written one time. You can apply associative law. Negation P or Q, conjunction. Negation P, disjunction Q, conjunction P. Here you need to apply distributive law. So negation P, conjunction Q, and negation P, disjunction Q, conjunction, negation P, disjunction P. See here, negation P, disjunction Q, conjunction, negation P, disjunction Q, conjunction, negation P, conjunction, disjunction P. These two are same symbols. You can write only one time. And conjunction, this is negation P or Q. You can write it as true. True conjunction something. True conjunction this proposition. So finally we got this proposition. This is in the form of elementary sums, product of elementary sums. There is no product here, it's okay. So this is how we need to apply our equivalence formulas in order to convert our given proposition in the form of conjunctive normal form. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.